This is the dashboard of website admin panel of More Customers app. Here in the dashboard you can see all the menus are there on the left hand side, all the configuration, marketing, reports and everything. Here you can see total orders, total subscribers / inquiries, total revenue which is generated, total number of customers, the pending orders. You can click here and directly go to the pending orders list, pending returns and refund. If any returns and refund is pending, so that can also be directly reached from here. Open inquiries. If any of the inquiries are still left which are not resolved, so that can also be managed. Pending product reviews. If the customers have sent you the reviews of your products, so from here also you can directly go to those reviews. Now here you can see the site viewers. Here you can see the graph, and as well as here you can see the number of visitors onto your website. Here we show the graph on monthly basis. Here you can check the site viewers on the basis of month. Next you can see site viewers location. So now from which location the front side visitors are coming onto your website, you can check all those locations. Here the world map has been given, and here you can see from which countries how many visitors, how many users are there for your website. Next one is, here you can see the two sections. One is timeline and the last 10 orders. So in timeline you can see like from which country or which city the visitors have visited your site. Here you can check at what time he has done the activity, okay, and what product he has clicked, so that all things can be seen in the timeline. Here you can see the last 10 orders. The last 10 orders for your website can be seen here. Now here you can see the last 10 returns and refunds. So the last 10 customers, the last 10 subscribers and the last 10 inquiries. So this all things can be seen from the dashboard here. Here you can see the view store. Once you click on view store, in the next step your website will open. Here you can get help from the knowledge base section, or you can create a ticket over here or send us an email here. Next, here you can see the notifications. Whichever notifications are there for your website, that can be seen here on the bell icon. Here this is our profile, so we can check our profile from here, my profile and my billing. Here you can see once you click on my profile, I will see the basic information. If I want to change the password, or in case if I want to close the account, that can also be done from here. Here you can verify the email address and the mobile number and save it. The next one you can see billing. Once you click on billing details, here you can see like what all things you have purchased, what all things like what plan you are having and what add-ons you have purchased. So that all history can be seen over here in the my billing section. So this was about the More Customers app dashboard, where you can manage each and everything properly.